In commercial biologics manufacturing, speed, consistency, and supply reliability are critical. For one global CDMO, maintaining streamlined workflows, from development through good manufacturing practices production, was important to supporting its clients worldwide. The organization relied on proprietary platform cell culture media for commercial manufacturing. But without validated stability data, there was no confirmed shelf life for GMP media. That uncertainty forced teams to rely on conservative expiration assumptions, frequent small batch ordering, and reactive production planning. At the same time, transitioning from non-GMP development media to GMP manufacturing media introduced additional operational complexity and technology transfer risk. Thermo Fisher Scientific collaborated with the CDMO to create an integrated solution combining rapid prototyping, media validation, and commercial GMP supply. Using the GIBCO Rapid Prototyping Service, the customer gained access to non-GMP media for testing and qualification, while maintaining the same formulations for GMP manufacturing. In parallel, Thermo Fisher conducted comprehensive media stability studies to generate validated shelf life data aligned to commercial manufacturing needs. With validated stability data in place, the CDMO improved forecasting, enabled bulk purchasing, and reduced operational complexity. The streamlined transition from development to GMP manufacturing helped accelerate scale-up activities while improving supply reliability and manufacturing confidence. See how integrated media solutions can transform your workflow today at thermofisher.com/media-manufacturing.